Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Epic Games status and any active incidents. This tells you if the issue is external. Next, reboot your router and modem to clear transient states and record the time and error codes for correlation. Then, collect local diagnostics, ping, jitter, packet loss, and NAT type from your console or PC so you have concrete numbers. Once done, make sure to note firmware versions and any recent network changes to avoid chasing unrelated variables. You now dig deeper, run traceroute to Fortnite endpoints to spot where latency spikes or packets drop, because locating the problematic hop narrows your fixes. Switch to a wired connection and try alternate DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out resolver issues. Then isolate other devices and perform packet captures for 5 to 10 minutes so you can analyze retransmissions and MTU problems. Once you have captures, compare before and after tests to confirm real improvement. You finish by applying targeted fixes. Enable Co-S and prioritize Fortnite UDP ports so game packets get precedence. This reduces jitter under load. Next, contact your ISP with traceroutes, packet captures, and timestamps so they can inspect backbone or peering issues, escalate if needed. Finally, restart the Epic launcher, clear caches, and test a dedicated server region to validate results. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: switch to a mobile hotspot briefly to distinguish between local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.